thinking almost like you're recommending different people, not just yourself. Like you don't want all roads to lead to you. You do in terms of asking questions, but in terms of referring resources. So, for example, when you say estate planning, obviously you don't do estate planning. You're going to recommend someone that does estate planning. Obviously, someone like me does agreements. You'd want me to review. And so I always think of a certified planner like yourself is branching and is really connecting people. I hate to use the BNI term like a power partner because you really are. You connect people for your clients so they can talk to the right person and you make sure your clients are taken care of. And obviously, you're going to recommend people that you have obviously vetted. Is that what you're thinking? Is that what you're
Yes,
suggesting?
that's correct. Just one note of clarification. I don't technically have the certified financial planner exam or any of that. I am what you call a investment advisor. So it's a different type of licenses, but nevertheless, the concept is the same. So
And I think you act like that no matter what. At least my experience. Okay, and you're right. Thank you for clarifying.
yeah.
But I know your approach you do take this seriously. You're a fiduciary, and at least how you approached it with me, I've seen it that way. So thank you.
Yeah. So yeah, I would be remiss, Sanjay, if I sat with a client and I take a look at their statement, their mortgage statement, to see, maybe I can help suggest a mortgage refinance, and maybe they've never looked into it or tried and weren't able to, but I can refer some great professionals we know that might be able to get that done. And that's happened a couple of times where hard to place loans, hard to refinance. I found the person that could help them. Secondly, if I see that their home is in their own name, then I'm going to ask questions like, do you have a living trust? Which is very important. Most estate attorneys will tell you that it's very important to be able to have that, particularly if you have property and minor children. And so the minute I see things like that, what I'm assessing is that there is risk that needs to be mitigated. And while I don't do estate planning, I'm going to make sure that the individual understands the importance, the basics of what a probate is and what kind of things can lead to probate and how to avoid those things. And then usually that leads to a conversation about meeting with one of the estate planners that I recommend.